Hey, what's going on YouTube? Today I'm coming back with another quick installation video of installing the TST Industries MECH-GTR flush mount signal lights. So as you can see, they're a lot smaller than the pumpkin style of lights that comes from the OEM factory. And it's a very quick install. All you're going to need is a 4mm Allen key and a 5mm as well. So let's get right into it. So we're going to just start by removing the side panel here. There's a couple bolts that you got to pull out. There's the one on the side right there, and then there's also two behind here. Now I am starting with the clutch side. A little bit of an awkward spot to get to. Now that those three bolts are out, you should be able to pop that right out. As you can see, there's a few clips here that just all line up here. You just gotta yank her out. While I have that off, I'm gonna clean it. And the whole purpose of pulling that off is to access your wires here. There's a little wire guide there. So as you can see there, I hope the camera can pick it up, there's a little metal clip that clips into a little bracket there. So you want to pop that off just by using a screwdriver, pop that out, and then that way it gives you a little bit more play here with the wire. And there we go, that's disconnected there. So to get at this, now you need your 5mm Allen key. Alright, screw the Allen keys. Let's use this, it'll be a little bit faster. Yeah, let's strip that now. What do you know, it's not long enough. So you can see how this light housing works here. Now there is a little bit of a rubber seal here on the back. Pull down these lips there, see? And pop that out. See, there's a little rubber seal there. Now you give her a twist and pull. And see, that comes right out. So that belongs in the garbage. Now I did also include getting the halo running light modules. So I'm gonna have to install that, which is just a simple plug and play, and it fits right on the back of the housing. Goes in like so. Now, this is supposed to just slide right on the back here. There we go. You just got to play with it a little bit there, see? And you got her fitted in nice. Now, the reason why it doesn't come pre-assembled is because you can get this color, this running light color in a number of different colors. You can check out the TST website for that. Feed the little ratchet clip that the TST provides through there. And then that got to just fit on somehow here. Yeah, there you go, you can hear the clicking. Gonna push it down even harder. Ooh, geez, that's bright. Don't be looking at that straight on. So you can see the little bit of a halo glow there. That's just a running light, and then signal, of course. And then when you turn it off, then you get there's a little bit of a delay there, which I don't know why, but. So now that we know it's all working, it's just a matter of feeding these wires up in here. And what I'll do is I will put these bolts back on in here. Just good enough for it to be held. And while I got this side panel off, I'm also going to go ahead and install the 2-pin LED flasher relay. And this is of course from TST as well. And I'm hoping that it'll be just an easy pop out. I'm going to go ahead and remove this plastic fairing right here. This might make it a little bit easier. Pop this out here. Alright, now just pop out this bolt as well. That'll make it a little bit more easier. Be an easier job if you don't have fat sausage fingers like me. So you can see I have that disconnected now and I don't have any signal lights whatsoever. I got running lights. Shit! Well, I just broke off the little plastic lip there. I thought that was metal, but it is not. But oh well, it makes it a little bit easier if you ask me. There we go. You see that there? Let's see. Is it working? Oh yeah, she's plugged in. You can see as before, it was flashing faster. Now that that is installed, that she's not flashing so fast anymore. It's just too bad I had to break off that plastic piece, but I don't think that's going to be that big of a deal. You know, these things shouldn't be rattling around. So that's it now. She just got to be put all back together. So I'm going to go ahead and put those 2 bolts on the back there. I'm going to just sync this up, and then I'm going to repeat the process on the other side, and I'll show you what it looks like after I'm all done. Okay, so there you have it. Doing the turn signals is a very simple job. It should take you about half an hour. Once you get one side done and figured out, doing the other side is just a breeze. It's a very simple job, cleans it up really nice, and that's it. So if you enjoyed the video, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, drop a like, drop a comment, ask me a question, and until next time, ride safe.